Okay, we got smoke. We'll get this lit. And you'll see what this char cloth does. I mean, there's clouds like crazy. This is a really good magnifying glass. I'll have a link in the bottom. Took me a long time to find this. I think they're made in India. Normally I find these garbage magnifying glasses. They are not as good as this. This one's really good. And the sun's not even out. It's windy. I can smell it now. And I kind of like to spread it around. Ain't that much sun out. I'm surprised this is even working. Now you can see how red that is. We'll put this in here. Char cloth gets hot. And there we go. Instant fire. All done with a magnifying glass. That's what a char cloth and a little bit of dried grass I pulled out from the back. I didn't have it around now. Some of that dried grass, I would love to pick some of that and maybe put some of that in my pack because of how easy that went out. In my recent video, I made a video on how to make char cloth. Char cloth gets extremely hot. It's extremely quick for making fires. And as you've seen, I made it with the magnifying glass. And again, this magnifying glass took me a long time to find. They're super cheap, 10 or 12 bucks. I think they're made in India. Go pick up one if you don't have one in your get home bag, or you don't have one when you go backpacking. These are not heavy, quite easy. And the nice thing about a magnifying glass, or even Flint and Steel, it never runs out. A ferro rod runs out. Everything runs out. A magnifying glass and a ferro rod does not. It'll last forever. And fire is very, very important. And today was super, super cloudy. It was really hard to start a fire. As you can see, the sky is super cloudy. I had to wait for a hole. I had to wait a good 10 minutes until a hole popped out, and when it did, it didn't take long to light it. So even on a cloudy day, you're going to be able to light a fire with a magnifying glass. Like I said, little char cloth, magnifying glass, you're good to go. Check out the links at the bottom, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.